Hello members. So I have another photo set. This is from the second trip to Darley, and I'll just talk about the photos that I took. I don't always take photos of my walks, but sometimes I do take quite a lot, so yeah, it's worth showing you and explaining. So this is the train. You may have already seen this upload. I did a special on it where it was leaving the station. Absolutely fantastic. Timed it right. We got there at the right time, just as it was leaving. It's a summer attraction. So this is a geocache. So a bit like the slug one that Joe commented on in one of my previous photos that was also fake. This one took absolutely ages to find. It was basically a whole line of trees, and it could have been in any of those trees, but absolutely fantastic geocache and really cool to find. I'll give you a close-up look at it. So yeah, quite a big fake bug. Could freak a lot of people out. I don't like to show the locations of some of geocaches. I think it gives it away and spoils it a little bit. But I think if it's just photos and a little bit of video and it's in an area where you can't really tell where it is, then I don't mind showing it. But obviously the CEO of this series is fantastic as well. Lovely chap. So this is a photo I took from the top of one of the hills. It's kind of trying to show the valley in the bottom, but it's quite difficult to actually see from that photo. And then the next photo is Bloom. Looked really pretty, so I thought it deserved a photo. If you're wondering why it's at an angle, it's because we were on a hill. But I just love the colours. We filmed this in, I think it was mid-May. So yeah, that's that one. The next photo, yeah, I've got no idea what this was actually. I think it was an old bridge, but I can't be sure. It was very strange structure, but it looked like a bridge that had been broken. So this is a view of the path, lovely path. Runs along the side of the valley. So the next one is me finding this mega geocache. You don't get many ammo boxes in the UK at all, really. So yeah, I was absolutely pleased as punch to find it. Now, the thing is, when you got inside it, you still could not get to the cache because it had a lock on it, and you had to work out the coordinates. Quite tricky, but we managed to do it and get it signed. The next geocache that I thought was really cool was this one. It was a puzzle cache, really difficult to get the tube out. You just have to start from the bottom and you have to work your way up to the top. Really quite clever. Took a while to do, but yeah, I thought that was worth sharing. Really cool geocache. And then I got this beautiful photo of my family walking. They didn't see me taking the photo, so I always like photos where when they don't notice I'm taking them. So yeah, I've got one more photo to share of the river. Just want to say massive thank you for your continued support. I hope you're enjoying these photos that I'm sharing. If I've got them, I will upload them. I did promise I would, and I'm finding that it's an easier way of doing it rather than trying to post it as a community post. So yeah, please just say in the comments if you're enjoying this, and if you are, I'll keep on doing it. So, and obviously if you can convince anyone to join as members, that would be absolutely awesome, because I know it's hard times for everyone and people can't afford it, but they probably don't realise it only costs 99 pence a month. So yeah, anyway, thank you very much for your continued support, everyone, and we'll see you again on the next one. I think I have got some to share for the next big upload next week, which is in Bakewell. Bye.